Let's dive into how to insert keyframes into our videos using CapCut App. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial, everyone. Keyframes are pivotal markers that enable you to manipulate and tailor the motion effects and attributes of your video clips over time. With keyframes, you can smoothly modify parameters like position, scale, rotation, opacity, and more. I have a video here sourced from pixels.com. Adding keyframes to your videos is quite straightforward. For instance, if we wish to zoom in or out of a video, let's start by setting the zoom in animation to begin at the 2-second mark of this video. Place your playhead at the 2-second mark and look to the keyframe button in the middle of the screen. To add a keyframe, simply tap on the little diamond icon. Now you can zoom in your video, and a keyframe will be added automatically. I can also shift the video left or right if you want, and a new keyframe will be generated automatically. Once you set the initial keyframes for scale and position, they will automatically be updated the second time and each subsequent time you adjust the settings. You just need to add the first keyframe by clicking on the little diamond icon, and any additional keyframes will be added automatically to your video by changing the values and moving the playhead. That's how you can add keyframes to control various aspects of your video. You can also apply keyframes for rotating your video, adjusting opacity, and many other attributes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and I'll see you soon in the next tutorial.